Sometimes life feels heavy, but food reminds us to slow down. Just like couscous, small grains come together to make something filling and meaningful. Every color on this plate represents patience, care, and hope. Today I'm cooking not just a meal, but a moment of comfort. Welcome and let's cook together. Here are my vegetables fresh and ready to start the cooking. These are my vegetables, clean, colorful, and ready to begin the cooking. You can see this is the couscous. You can see it. Yeah, I have my vegetable already clean. I have my chicken and I have everything. Let's start the preparation fast. I don't want to waste anyone's data. If you are still watching, please keep watching and I love you. Here are my vegetables, simple, fresh, and full of life. This is where the cooking begins. No rushing. Yeah, my vegetables are ready. Let's start cooking fast. Oh yeah. This is how it starts. Fresh vegetables, simple preparation, and a good meal on the way. This. So now we are coming to start the couscous now. Now we are coming to start adding my olive oil in with the chopped onion. Salt. This is tomato puree. The onion is brown, so I added my tomato puree. I'm creating my own style. You know, in this channel we create our own style of cooking. Yeah, it's not expensive, just simple one that someone can relate and do it. Even 2 ingredients you can even use to do. Create something for your family, affordable, not expensive, local. This is my chopped tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Simple food can still carry deep meaning. Let's cook something that comforts the heart. My soul, angelic songs are swelling. Oh, elf springfields and oceans with be sure. How sweet the truth, those blessed streams are telling of that new life when sun shall be no more. Angels of Jesus, angels of night, singing to welcome the pilgrims of the night. So now I added the chicken. I will let it cook slow to build some flavor before we add other ingredients. My chicken inside here did not come to play. Now I add my spices to bring everything to life. A little spices goes in. This is where the aroma begins. Spices remind us that small touches make a big difference. Just enough spice to warm the pot and the heart. Normally, my chicken, when you use it, it tastes good. Yeah. You can also use meat, but normally where I got the ideas, it was chicken. Yeah, it was chicken. Okay, so now the chicken is stewing for a little. Let's add water and seasoning so that we can let the soup simmer gently. This soup will carry all the taste. Now we have to add the vegetables. I begin with the harder vegetables, potatoes, pumpkin, and carrots. They need time to soften. So the next, I will add all the ingredients inside because I want them to tender but still colorful. You can see it. Yeah. So now we are adding our soft vegetables. The next thing is we let it relax more. Now let's prepare our couscous. This is how many? This is 500 grams, and I'm preparing it. This is butter, and I'm adding hot water here. I'm adding a pinch of salt. This is potatoes. We'll add it. I will sing and praise my God. So I added my parsley, my cabbage. Okay, so we are adding our handful of parsley for freshness and aroma. Everything is set in the pot. Good food doesn't rush. It takes time, patience, and care. Just like the things that truly nourish us in life. When you slow down, add love, and trust the process, even the simplest ingredients can become something comforting and complete. Keep watching. Don't skip. I love you. I added potatoes. Yeah, so this is the potatoes now. Do you know that food brings people together on many different levels? It's nourishment on its own, but it's also something special when shared. One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well. There is no sincere love than the love of food. Food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate. Do you know that? So this is the couscous. I'm adding a little turmeric powder to give the couscous a little color and shine and beautify the plate. Always remember that food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate. That one simple meal you prepare with thoughts for someone may mean the world to them. Whoever said that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach was only half right. It is the way to everyone's heart. Yes. Couscous is a traditional food. Yeah. It's a nice food and nice recipe. Couscous is a dish of peace and a symbol of integration between people. It's not just a dish, it is a symbol of hospitality, generosity, and tradition. Sometimes a little comfort food can go a long way. Yes. When food is your happiness. Do you know that good food is the foundation of genuine happiness? You eat well, live well. Food is not just a fuel, it's an experience. Happiness is homemade though, if you don't know. I remember when I was in school, a lot of people say that couscous is considered as a poor man's dish because it's very simple and very easy to cook. But I would say couscous symbolizes good luck and prosperity. So now remove the chicken from the pan and roast it a little to get a golden color. Yeah, the chicken is already cooked. I just want it to get a little color on top. Our soup is done. Yeah, so now let's wait for the chicken to bake a little. Then we start adding all the ingredients together and serve. While the soup cooks, I prepare the couscous light, fluffy, and ready to serve. You can see the soup is already done. Okay, so you can see that our couscous has become so colorful. You see? Yeah, this is the name of the doings. Please don't skip or keep watching to end. I love you. Okay, so the chicken is golden now. Now it's time for us to serve. I will place the couscous at the bottom of the plate, and this is the foundation of the meal. Yeah. I gently bring the vegetables on top, keeping the colors bright. I have to make sure that I bring all the vegetables and arrange on top nicely. Then I add the soup, yeah, to soak it. Yeah, the soup has to soak the couscous so that it will taste more sweet, delicious, geze yum. It really came golden, fully cooked to impress. Vegetables has to arrange nicely on top. Yeah, so we are arranging it. The vegetables is arranging and dressing the top nicely so that it will taste delicious. I'll place the chicken on top in the middle so that it will give the full vibes. A little soup over everything to bring it all together. So I will add the remaining soup on top so that it will soak the couscous well. Good food doesn't rush, it takes time indeed. Slow cooking, steady care, and simple ingredients. Sometimes that's all we need. The doings. This couscous may cause hunger. This couscous has good intention. Yes, simple food, but it knows it looks good. Simple food cooked with patience always tastes better. Your grace and mercy. Please, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Just comment, share your mind, share your thoughts with me on the comment section, like and subscribe for